Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram couldn't add to template. First of all you have to do is open your Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here you have to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. From here you have to scroll down just a bit until you see account privacy. So if your account is set to private or if you have turned on the toggle private account, all you have to do is turn off that toggle and make your account public. Once you have switched your account back to public, then check if your problem has fixed or not. If your problem has not fixed, then what you can do is scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see account type and tools. Click on it, and from here you can select or switch to professional account. Once you have switched back to a professional account, then check back once again if your problem has fixed or not. If your problem has not been fixed, then what you can do is open your account app info from here. Once your app info is opened, you have to click on storage and cache and clear the storage of your Instagram. Once you have cleared the storage, you have to log in once again back to your Instagram and check, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix Instagram couldn't add to template problem. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.